My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 Peugeot 5008 GT line. This vehicle has done just under 41,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we go inside of the vehicle, we can see that it has 7 seats in total, all of which have a black leather trim. On the steering wheel, we have features such as voice control and cruise control. On the screen, we can get quick access to Apple and Android CarPlay, Bluetooth, driving functions and vehicle settings, navigation, climate control, and media and radio. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. This 5008 also comes with sport mode. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.